Hello, Mr. Cass's class. I'm so happy to send you this video today. Can anyone tell me what day it is today? Today it is Friday, and it's the last day of the week. So I want you to make sure that you've completed your calendar. As you can see here, I stopped at the number 6. So hopefully you did 7, 8, 9, and today it's the 10th. So Friday, April the 10th. Okay, so class, after doing number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we are going to do the number 7 with a purple marker. So 7 is boom, took. And then our pattern is going to repeat. So I'm going to use actually red one because I'm not gonna do the black. So red for 8. So we blow. 9 is in orange. So same thing, I blow, took, and number 10 in beautiful yellow, took, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Friday the 10th. The activity we are going to do today is trying to find objects that are circular and flat. Something that is circular is something that is round like this. So if you put it flat on a table, it would roll. But I want you to find something that is round or circular and fairly flat. Something that looked a little bit like my ruler here that was straight and flat. I want you to find 10 objects that are circular and flat. So please pause the video and try to go find 10 different objects in your house that are circular and flat. Although, before you go, I want you to make sure they're safe objects. So this is in plastic, so I know it's safe. If I drop it on the ground, it is safe. This glass is also circular on one end, but if I drop it on the ground, it would break. So please try to find some things that are safe and that are not fragile. So go ahead, hit pause, go find 10 objects that are circular and flat. I have found my 10 circular and flat objects. So here I have a cup, I have a glue stick, you can see it's circular and flat. I have this nice blue lid. I found also some metal lids. 1, 2. This nice bowl for my son's cereal. Oh, talking about cereal, look what I found. A little Cheerios, a plate, and a hat. Nah, not a hat. That is also a circular shape, and when I put it on the ground, it is flat so it can rest, it doesn't roll. When I say go, with the help of your parent, I would like you to place the object from the smallest to the biggest. So the small object on one side, the big object on the other side, and you can take a picture. I'll show you a picture of mine. So we will go with the smallest, which is the Cheerios, and the last big object, which is my cooking pot. And in between, I want you to put them in different sizes. Second thing I want you to do, I want you to put them in order of height. So the lowest would still probably be my Cheerios, and then my stick of glue would probably be one of my highest one. And in between those, I would have maybe my cup, which is taller than my Cheerios, but it is a little bit shorter than my glue stick. So I want you to put them in order of height. Third thing, I want you to try to stack, so make a big pyramid with all of your circular and flat objects. See if you can build a nice pyramid with all those objects. Woohoo! And the little Cheerios just on top. Ooh, can you see my nice pyramid? So I want you to stack your objects just as like this. Okay, so for your last activity, after using some circular things, I want you to make your own letter wheel. If you have a printer, I also sent the regular letter wheel that we used. On my letter wheel here, I have done a banana, a bird, a ball, a basketball, a butterfly, and a boat. In the video, you will see a speed up version of me tracing it using a plate and a plastic cup. So you're welcome to try and make it your own. It might take more time and you might need the help of your parents, but have fun and make sure, Mr. Casclass, you give me a 3-star coloring. So apply yourself, make sure you color the edge before you color the middle, and send me a picture once you're done. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Once you've drawn your big circle and 5 smaller circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I want you to find 5 things, objects or animals that start with the letter B and the sound B, B, B. Here I found a banana, I drew a bird, a basketball, a butterfly, and a boat. When all of your drawing are done with a pencil, you can take your marker or your crayon to color them. So I'll do my yellow banana just as an example. To give you a little trick when we color, Mr. Cass's class, we've done this, so let me zoom in. Hopefully you can see everything that I'm doing. I want you to color the edge first before coloring the middle. So I'm going to take my time to color just the edge to make sure I can give 3-star coloring. Let me allow to move my sheet so you can see better. So I color the edge first. Once the edge is colored, then it's easier for me to color the middle without going over the lines. Okay? And you do the same. So 1 yellow banana, 1 basketball, 1 bird, the butterfly, and the boat. This is the finished letter wheel. So I have a banana, a bird, a basketball, a butterfly, and a boat. Once you finish coloring it, with the help of an adult, you can use your scissors to cut around. So remember, I want you to take your time. When we open our scissors, we take a breath in. So we go. Breathe out when you close your scissors. And remember, this is your captain. This is your first mate. So the scissors, do they move? Do I move my scissors when I cut around? No. I move my paper. So I'm gonna go through up to the line, and then my scissors stay straight. Scissors stay straight always. Go. Take your time, scissors stay straight, it's the paper that turns. Here we go. And when you're finished, if you have a glue stick, you can open your glue stick, put a little dab of glue, and glue it in the middle, just as such. So, letter B. Good job, everyone. Good luck making this craft.